Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to add the body tag and then h1 element, write image, flip with text, because that's what we're going to do. So we'll save that and refresh. There it is. Then we move on to the next, which is h3 element, hover over the image below. Okay, so this is like help, so you'll be able to know what you're going to do. Then we add div class, flip box, and then we'll save that. You see it hover over the image below. And then we add another div class, and this one will be flip box inner. Okay, then we add another one, div class, and this will be flip box front. Then we add an image. Okay, it's image source, and we're going to make this one. I'm going to use the image I have. Okay, I saved mine as image h1. That's what I saved it as, h1. So it's .jpeg. The alt will be house, because that's what the image looks like, a house. Then style, we'll add a little style inside it. We'll make it to be, the width will be 300 pixels, and the height, let's say about 200 pixels. Okay, then it's image, actually image. So we close that div, the first div, we'll save it, and that's how it is, a house. So we close the first div, we'll close this, add another div class again. This will be flip box back, and then we add the h2 element and write house or apartment. Okay, so this will be the one that will flip when the text is flipping, you know. So we'll add what, an amazing city. It's actually amazing Z. Okay, so we're using the paragraph tag for that. There it is. And now from here on, okay, so from here on we close the divs, and then we'll save that and refresh. So there you have it. We're done with the HTML side. It's now the CSS, which is, let's fix that. Okay, so CSS, first things first, we'll refresh. So there it is. And then we'll start off with the body, and then we'll add font family. We'll start with Arial. Yeah, Arial, Helvetica, and we could add sans serif. So if Arial doesn't work on the browser, Helvetica will work. If it's not Helvetica, sans serif, but one will work. Okay, so we move on to the next one, which is the flip box itself. Then background color will be we'll make it transparent, and then the width will be 300 pixels, the height will be 200 pixels, and border will be 1 pixel solid. Add some color code. Okay, then perspective, we'll make it let's say 1000 pixels. Okay, so let's save that and refresh. So that's how it is. Then we move on like to the next, which will be flip box inner. Then the position will be relative. Yeah, the width actually to be width 100%, and height, let's say 100% as well, and text align, we'll make it center, so it will be at the center. And then transition will be transform 0.8 seconds, and let's save that and see what we're doing. So you see it's at the center, and we're going to add one more, which is transform style. Yeah, so we're going to make it persevere 3D. Okay, so let's save that and refresh. And so we're going to style the flip box, and we'll make it use the hover effect. So hover, yeah, flip box inner. Please, when you're writing this flip box inner, make sure to add some space. Okay, sorry, please make sure to add some space between hover and that flip box. So we're adding transform rotate Y. We'll make it 180 degrees. Okay, And let's save and refresh and see what we're doing. So you see it is rotating even though it's upside down, but it's flipping. Then we add flip box front and then flip box back. Okay, so please make sure to add space in it so it will work. Then I'm adding position absolute. The width would be 100%, height would be 100%, and back face visibility will be hidden. Okay, so there it is. We save that and refresh. You see it. And now to bring it all to life, we add flipbox front. We'll add background color, and we could set this to be a BB. This is a color code actually. Then we could make the color itself to be black. And finally, we're going to add a flip box back. Okay, a background color would be a background color. Let's say we'll use another color code actually, #555. Okay, then color would be white, and then the transform. Okay, let's save that first. Okay, there it is. Then transform, let's say rotate Y. We'll make this to be 180 degree to make it all set. So there we have it. We save and refresh, and voila, you see it, image flip with text. To learn how to create more projects like this, you could subscribe to our channel.